Happy New Year, everyone! This is Chelsea, and today we are going to make a Hello 2021 cake. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at our ingredients. We need hallabong syrup, whipped cream, strawberries, 3 cake sheets, a cake box base, a knife, a spoon, and a spatula. First, take 1 strawberry, cut it in half, turn, then cut in half again to make 4 slices. Good, set it aside. Next, cut 3 strawberries in half, like this, to make 6 slices. Don't cut off the stems though. These will go on the top of the cake. Good. Next, take another strawberry and cut off the stem. And then flip your strawberry down and cut it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, cut the stem, flip the strawberry down, then cut, 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 and cut. Now, repeat for all of the remaining strawberries. These strawberries will go in the middle of our cake. Great! Let's build our cake now. Take the cake's base out of the box. Using your spatula, take some whipped cream and spread it in the center of the cake base. Now take 1 cake sheet and place it on neatly over the whipped cream. From there, use your spoon and spread the hallabong syrup all over the cake sheet. Be careful not to rip the cake sheet. Do you remember the strawberries you cut 4 times? We are going to use them first. Place the strawberries on top of the hallabong syrup like you see here. Place the bigger slices close to the edge of the cake sheet and the smaller slices on the inside. Now, take another cake sheet and spread a thin layer of hallabong syrup on top again. Spread gently. Next, carefully and neatly place the hallabong syrup side of the cake sheet onto the strawberries like this. Next, spread another thin layer of hallabong syrup on top of the cake sheet. Remember to be careful. Spread lightly, spread gently, so you don't rip your cake sheet. Now, repeat the same design as before with your 4 sliced strawberries. Place the bigger slices close to the edge of the cake sheet and the smaller slices on the inside like this. Now, take your final cake sheet, remove the sheet of paper, turn the cake sheet over to its lighter side, and spread a final layer of hallabong syrup on top. We will spread whipped cream on the darker side, so make sure the hallabong syrup is spread on the lighter side of the cake sheet. Next, place the hallabong syrup side of your cake sheet on top of the strawberries. Good. Now, let's add a nice, smooth, thick layer of whipped cream on top, like this. Spread, spin. Spread, spin. Good. Finally, let's decorate the top of our cake. We are going to make a flower with our remaining strawberries. Take the strawberries you cut in half, turn them upside down, and place them in a circle in the middle of the cake, like this. Red side out, green side in. The stems should be facing one another. Red side out, green side in. Now, place the remaining 4 thin slices of strawberries in the very middle, straight up, like this. Red side up, green side down. Red side up, green side down. And you're done! Yay! I hope you enjoy your Hello 2021 New Year's cake. Bye-bye! Happy New Year!